In the name of Allah, hello guys, hope you are all fine and doing well. Welcome to today's important topics about inventory methods and logistics and supply chain. So let's get started. There are major inventory methods in logistics. Number one, FIFO or first in, first out definition. The first items received are the first items sold or used, or the oldest stock is sold or used first. This is a crucial for perishable goods like food, pharmaceuticals, and items with expiration date. It ensures product quality and traceability. Process: receive inventory, store according to the arrival date, dispatch all the stock first. But let's simplify it in an example like arrival date and in quantity. In January 1, we receive or arrive 100 units. On January 15, arrive 150 units. If 100 units are sold, inventory from January 1 is used first. What is the advantage? Advantages are reduces obsolescence, suitable for perishable goods, easier stock rotation. What will be disadvantages? May not reflect current replacement costs, best for food industry, pharmaceutical, retail products. In a short way, we can say that when we use FIFO, when the items are perishable and items to be used or sold first, when they are perishable and it is so hard to store it for a long time or for a while. The second one is LIFO or last in first out definition. The most recently received inventory is used first or the new stock is used first. This is efficient for bulk non-perishable goods like building materials or hardware. Like some items that are use maximum space in our stock, we should use it so in first one. Like for example, arrival date January 1, 100 units. January 15, 150 units. If 100 units are issued, they come from the January 15 batch. Advantages: match recent costs with revenue during inflation. Disadvantages: not accepted under IFRS accounting standards. Can leave all stock unused. It will be based forward certain accounting applications. The third one, LIFO, or last expired first out. Very simple. LIFO, last expired first out, is a theoretical inventory issuing method in which products with latest expiration dates are issued first, while items with earlier expiration dates remain in storage. This approach is generally not used in professional logistics because it increases the likelihood that older stock will expire before being sold or used. How LIFO works: imagine a warehouse stores three batches of yogurt. Batch ABC, expiration date July 10, August 5, September 1. Quantity are all 100 for 3 batches. And the LIFO batch C expires September 1 is issued first. 2. Batch B expires August 5 is issued second. Batch A expires July 10 is issued last. This leaves the oldest inventory in storage the longest, increasing spoilage risks. Number four, FIFO. FIFO or first expired, first out. Definition: items with earliest expiration dates are used first, or a critical variant of FIFO, the item with the earliest expiration date is picked first, regardless of when it arrived. Mandatory for pharmaceutical, food, and cosmetics to ensure safety and comply with FDA or EMA regulations. Example: a warehouse dispatched medicine expiring in June before medicine expiring in September. Advantage: reduces waste, ensure product quality best for pharmaceutical, food product, cosmetics. The fifth one, LUFO, or lowest in, first out. Definition: LUFO, lowest in, first out, is a theoretical inventory valuation method in which inventory with the lowest unit cost is issued or consumed before inventory with higher unit cost. It's clear that we focus on the item which it costs lower than the high cost item. Unlike FIFO, which considers arrival time, or FIFO, which considers expiration date, LOFO focuses only on the cost of inventory. It's clear. How LOFO works: inventories arrange according to unit cost from the lowest to the highest when goods are issued or sold. The inventory with the lowest purchase cost is used first. Higher cost inventory remains in stock until the lower cost inventory has been exhausted. For example, a company purchases the same product at different prices. Purchase date: January, February, March. Quantity: 1000 for three of them. Cost per unit: 1200 USD, 10 USD, and 15 USD. Using LUFO. First, issue all 100 units at 10 USD, lowest cost. Then issue 50 units at 12 USD. The remaining inventory is 50 units at 12 USD and 100 units at 15 USD. I think it's clear because we focus on the item which it costs low, and the high cost item will be remain until the lower cost inventory has been exhausted. The sixth one, LILO, last in, last out. Definition: LILO, last in, last out, is an inventory concept in which the newest items received into inventory are kept in storage and are the last item to be issued or sold, while older inventory is used first. It's clear the newest item is stored, but the last items are issued or sold. Example: a warehouse receives three batches of the same products. Batches ABC, January 5 to 15 January and 25 January. Quantity: 100 units for three of them. If the warehouse needs to issue 150 units and the LILO concept, first issue 100 units from batch A, it oldest. Then issue 50 units from batch B. Batch C, the new stock remains untouched until the older batch have been used. Number seven, just in time method. Definition: inventory arrives only when needed for production or sales. Or inventory arrives exactly when needed for production or shipping. Requires zero safety stock, minimal holding costs, but extremely fragile supply chain. It means the inventory is not stored, or the items are not stored in the stock. So when it needed, so the items are arrived. Example: a car manufacturer receives parts one day before assembly. Advantage: lower storage costs, reduced waste, better cash flow. Disadvantage: vulnerable to supply disruptions. Best for lean manufacturing, automotive industry. The eighth one, economic order quantity. Definition: economic order quantity or EOQ is a mathematical inventory replenishment model used to calculate the ideal number of units a company should purchase per order. Its core objective is to minimize the total combined cost of ordering and holding inventory, under the assumption that demand, ordering costs, and holding costs are constant and known. A formula used to determine the optimal order quantity that minimizes total inventory costs. Benefits: minimizes ordering costs, reduces carrying costs. Formula: EUQ is equal square roots 2ds and per h, where D is equal to annual demand, S is equal to ordering cost, H is equal holding cost per unit. Example: if you sell 1000 units a year, each order costs you 50 USD in shipping or admin, and it costs you 2 USD per year to store one unit. Your EUQ is equal to multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 50 per 2 under square roots is equal 50,000 uh, around 224 units. So the EQ will be 224 units. The ninth one is cycle counting. Definition: inventory is counted regularly instead of conducting a full physical count, or cycle counting is an inventory accuracy auditing procedure where a small predetermined portion of a warehouse's SKUs or stock keeping units is physically counted on a rotating daily basis rather than counting all inventory at once during a single annual shutdown. So it means it is periodic or cyclically inventory for counting the items in our stock. Example: Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Item A, items B, and item C. What will be the benefits? Continuous accuracy, less operational disruption. Example: when we have 5,000 active SKUs, we want to count every SKU stock keeping unit at least once per year. It means 365 days. So the 5,000 active SKU divided by 365 days, it means it's divided by 1 year. So equal B or around our SKU will be 14 per day. The 10 one is safety stock method. It means it is used for uncertainty situation like definition: extra inventory is maintained to handle uncertainty, or safety stock is the statistically calculated emergency reserve held to observe the shock of unpredictable sales spikes and supplier delay. Ensure that your e-commerce store never shows out of stock during a crisis. It means it's stock for Uncertainty or predictable situation. Formula. Safety stock is equal maximum daily usage multiplied by maximum lead time minus average daily usage multiplied by average lead time. For example, maximum usage is equal to 100 units per day. Maximum lead time will be is 10 days. Average usage equal 70 units per day. Average lead time is equal 7 days. So what will be the safety stock? So let's calculate it. 100 multiplied by 10 minus 70 multiplied by 7. So 100 multiplied by 10 is equal 1000 minus 70 multiplied by 7 is equal to 490. So 1000 minus 490 is equal to 510. So our safety stock will be 510 units. So the 11 one reorder point or ROP definition. The inventory level at which a new order should be placed. Reorder point is an inventory management method that defines the specific inventory level at which a new purchase order must be placed to replenish your stock. It is clear, it is order point. It means reordering until fulfill the or replenish our stock. Formula or OP is equal average daily demand multiplied by lead time plus safety stock. Example, demand equal 50 units per day, lead time equal 8 days, safety stock equal 200 units. Or OP will be so 50 multiplied by 8 plus 200. So our OP will be 60, 600. So order when inventory reach 600 units. This is the reorder point. So vendor manage inventory or VMI, the last one definition. The supplier monitors and replenishes inventory for the customer benefits. Sorry, for inventory for the customer. Example: a beverage company automatically restock products at supermarkets. Benefits: lower inventory costs, better supplier collaboration, and reduced stock outs. So this is the vendor managed inventory. So guys, hope you are all understood and learn something about the inventory methods. Our today's session was about the inventory methods. So thank you for watching. So do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe our Supply Chain Academy channel in order to in touch with our new or videos about the procurement, logistic, and supply chain. Hope you are all understood and may God bless you all. Bye bye.